Hi everyone! My name is Rose Antijones. I am a caregiving student from St. Augustine School of Nursing. Alright, now let's go and prepare milk for our baby. So for the scooping, make sure that you know the recommended scoop for your baby's age. Okay? So you can use a clean knife to level the baby's milk or the formula milk. And then put it on our feeding bottle. Right? So now we're done with the milk. Let's put the warm water or our boiling water to the feeding bottle. Right? And now we will shake it gently to mix the baby's formula milk to our water. And now that we mixed it, we can check the temperature by putting some teardrop of milk to our wrist. If it's still hot for you, you can run the feeding bottle to a running water. And once you meet the proper temperature, then we can start feed our baby with our prepared milk. Today I will show you the proper ways to feed our baby. So we have 3 ways to do that. So in these pictures, I will show you those ways. So we have here, the first picture is holding your baby close to you. Next picture is holding your baby facing to you. And lastly is holding your baby in a sitting position. Make sure that when we hold our baby or when we are feeding them, make sure that we put the tip of the nipple on their lips. Don't force it, and just wait for the baby to suck the nipple and drink our milk. I will show you the 2 ways to help our baby burp. So the first way to help them burp is to gently put your baby on your back like this and carefully tap them at the back to burp. And the second way is to put them on your lap like this and carefully tap them